Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the Gibson Online Store platform so that you can place your order right now and receive it right at your doorstep. So the first thing you want to do, if you want to access the platform, you have to open your browser either on your computer or on your mobile phone. Everything will work just fine. So you're gonna follow the link. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, as you can see on the screen. So once you put in this link, Gibson Online Store com, you gonna come right here. So as you can see, this is the website. This is where new brand computers and as well as second-hand computer, including phones, keyboards, other computer peripherals I sold for very reasonable price, and you can just place your order and then the team will call you, agreement sound, and then deliver it right to you. So once you get to the website, this is the home page, or you can see the latest trending products, or you can slide in on your mobile phone or on your laptop like so, and then you can scroll down, you can see here more products. So if you want any one of these products, like for example I would like to uh, order this Yellow flash screen monitor, so I can click details or any of these buttons. Then I'll be taken to the summary page where I can see the original price and the last price and more about that. So I can hit this big button. I say order now. Then the order form is going to show up, so you can place in your first name, last name, and provide your mailing address. So they'll call you within a moment as soon as you place this order for follow-up. So once you do that, deal is already in progress and you have got. One more thing I want to show you, you can count on more, and you can hit this little button, and once you hit this button, you see the drop down menu. You can verify your receipt once you purchase a goods, because it is a legal business, so you need to have something to prove to people that you actually bought it, just in case there is a conflict. So you can just hit this link, and you come here to enter your digital signature that will be on your receipt. So for example, a guy purchased certain goods and his digital signature was just ABC. Actually, this is going to be taken down after this tutorial. So I'm going to enter that ABC, and then after you enter your digital signature, yeah, make sure you tap exactly what is on your receipt, because this system is case sensitive. So you gonna hit this button, verify or purchase. Then you're gonna see the verification here, uh your name, for example, received from Prince Carly, the amount, the blah blah blah, and the year for whichever product. So if you happen to miss it, for example, if I come and type something other than that and just hit this, you will receive this notice. So anytime you get this notice, it means that there is an error, either you are missing your digital signature. So if you also want to read more about the business, you can click this about, and you will see all of the businesses and their services type. You can see all. And if you want to contact them, you can hit contact, and you'll be taken to this contact form. You can just write your name, you can write your email and your contact, and write your message, and you send it exactly. Another cool thing here is that you also want to constantly be checking on the blog to see what's going on the site or the platform. So once you get there, you can just click on blog, and you will see the latest news and events. So you can click this to read more in details, and you can get the detail of that story. You can also view customers, that is people who have purchased from the company before. and wish to share their story, you can hit that. And once you smash that button, you're gonna land right on this page. As you can see, all the customers here. So once you purchase, we're gonna put you here, but this will be based on agreement. So it's not just gonna be random something or without your consent. So far so good. I'll leave you here. If you have any uh, question to ask, leave it in a comment or visit the site and just go to contact and have us contacted. Please make sure to visit this site. It is very great. The computer currently I'm using was ordered from here and I really like that. So thanks for watching once more.